Oh no, Larry!
I told you not to put it up that way.
How in the world did we get this all over us? We're supposed to be wrapping them trees.
I guess we're trees now.
Cherry tree. Help! I can't get out! Help!
Look into my eyes. You must subscribe. And I want cheese.
What are you doing, Larry?
What?
What's going on with that? What is that thing you got?
It's knitting.
Okay, I'm going to come in front of the camera here.
No, don't do that.
No. Alright, so I think this is small enough to fit around so they won't get those berries.
I don't know.
It's supposed to do that, so we got to like roll it out or something? I'll hold it
Yeah.
and roll it.
It's a 100-foot roll.
So what do you think?
And it's 7 feet wide, so it's doubled.
Okay.
So we'll have to cut the length we want.
Okay, I'll hold it. Alright. Now you know how it goes.
No, not
It's
really.
not a, you know, Mr. OCD here, it is not a perfect wrap, you just net it. That's all you gotta do.
Yeah, it's got to be perfect.
No, perfect, then you better put a dome over it. Or
Why do anything unless you're going to do it right?
I just thinking,
I'll tell you what, I'll just hold it. You put it where you want it, and you come back and do this side.
Okay, Larry, we've come up with another solution, and what is that? You got a pair of scissors. What are you doing? So we've tied the string to the...
Netting to the scissors.
I'm going to throw it over it.
Yep. Let's hope there's nobody on the other side.
All right, people. You think this is going to work? We don't know. Okay. That went over. Yay!
What's plan C?
Oh, what happened? Did we wrap the tree?
We had a malfunction. I'm draped.
But the birds won't get the cherries.
This stuff is so light, Sally. I don't know how we're going to get it up there.
Take it. Why don't we just tie a little to the branch and then go, because it's pulling off the branches. Let's just take some of our little string and tie it.
Problem is, it's almost like this stuff almost should be just dropped on top of the tree from up above.
Well, how do you profess to do that?
Darned if I know.
Okay, let's try tying a piece at a time, okay?
Post.
T-post?
Yeah. It's something I can push with. And I get hung up in.
Hey.
That works better.
I'll tie this over here. How'd that be?
That'll work.
Okay, so explain what we just did, Larry. Go closer so they can see that T-post. Some people don't even know what those things are.
T-post. This is one of the shorter ones. I think it's like 5 foot. But the end of it's big enough it won't go in through the netting, so it won't get hung up.
So then I tied it in a couple end pieces, and that's our solution.
Yeah.
It's the thing with figuring stuff is you want it to go right the first time. You just got to keep trying. So we're going to cut some more material and get the other side or so. Okay, how many more trees we got?
Two
And
more trees.
We think we have. You don't sound very excited about this.
This hasn't been a fun project, but we got to get it done.
Well, yeah, that's just the way life is. Some things are fun and some aren't.
The cats are enjoying it. They're all over the place here.
I'm surprised they're not chasing after this netting. All right.
They're smarter than we are.
Yeah, those are smart ones. Those laying in the grass, relaxing, or us humans struggling. Okay?
Yep.
You can't tell me that there isn't a tool out there with a little fork on it and a rod to do exactly what we're doing. I know somebody's got it for sale. It's comments time. Somebody can just help us. You know, I know we're doing this the hard way, so you people out there that are much smarter than this about this netting, give us a comment.
This is our first time trying it.
Yeah. We usually just let the animals take what they want, but you know what? We're fighting back.
It all started with that crazy rabbit.
That crazy rabbit interfering with our tree, our garden.
Find a place to tie onto. No, not yet.
Boy, this one's shorter. We just reached right above it, huh, Larry?
Yep.
Look at that.
And we should make these bonsai cherry trees.
Oh, I guess. Okay, how about like right there? Oh, good. How about that? We just reached right over there. Wait a minute, we do need to. I think we ought to go bring it over a little more, do another half. What do you think?
Fine.
What did we learn?
Don't do this.
Well, we got it done. I mean,
Yeah.
it's what really matters.
Having fun.
I think so.
Yep.
And so the word for the day is F-U-N. Did I spell that right?
Yes. Thank you.
Fun! Be crazy. Be happy. And we give it.
Oh, okay.